Hi there, Melody from WTI, and this is more than just a solid stick. Any guesses? Let me show you. Take a look at the Boreal 21 folding bow saw from AGAWA. It opens in seconds, and right away you can start sawing. The aluminum frame is awesome. The fiberglass reinforced nylon handle and all the stainless steel hardware, everything makes it a very high quality saw. And weighing only 1.2 pounds and it being 21.5 inches long, you can use this at any angle and you're going to get the work done and be very impressed with it. So if you're looking for something like this to either put in your emergency pack, if you're looking even for something to put in your day camping, even a week camping, something that doesn't take a lot of room but really does the trick, I suggest this one from AGAWA. I'm very impressed with it. My husband loves it, and that's my point of view.